Hello friends, Tanya here for Spellbinders and day 12 of the 2023 Crafty Advent Calendar. We are going to open door number 12. And what do we have in here? More dies. I love the dies that have been in this kit so far. And it is a layering strawberry set. Now, irony here, I am very allergic to strawberries. Cannot even be in the same room with the plants, let alone the berries. Yeah, pretty pathetic. It's related to my latex allergy and way too much conversation about my problems. This layering die set is adorable, and I can be in the same room with it. We are just adding a little bit of scrap cardstock behind the strawberry layers to add some color to the berries. You could put whatever color you want. I liked this lighter color. We have a pale red for the strawberries, and I think it was some ink blended paper to begin with. Or did I add a little ink blending to some pink? I did. I ink blended a little bit to a melony pink cardstock, and then there are 2 layers on this larger leaf. I added that to the large leaf. We have these cute little strawberry blossoms. I cut those from some brush white cardstock and added a little yellow center. We have 2 little leaves to go on the stem portion of the strawberries. Just adhering those individually. The stem is one piece without any leaves, and it has a little square end on it to attach to the back of your strawberry, which makes it really handy. I like it when there's a slightly bigger piece at the end that you know you're going to be covering anyway, that you can put your glue on. Now we have all of the leaves attached to our cute little strawberries. We're going to add our strawberry blossoms. I don't know if you would typically see a blossom right at the base of a strawberry, but it does make a pretty little accent. You could even do a group of 3 or however many you wanted to do. These came together very quickly and they are adorable. Can't wait to use them on a card. So I pulled out some of the stuff that I had glimmer foiled with the blush foil the other day. And I used the Woodgrain foiling plate, and we are also using the Precision Layering Mini Slimline A set and the tiled hearts to create some layers on our Mini Slimline card. We also have the Stitched Love Stitch Die of the Month kit that I chose not to stitch, and we're going to add the strawberry as the O on that word. I'm going to adhere my different pieces with a little bit of cardstock on the back, which I've already applied. And once I get the embossed central panel adhered, I remembered that I actually wanted to use some of the Pearl Lustre Gilding polish. Just going to get that cap off and lightly run it over the embossing area and cross my fingers that I don't get it on the craft colored background piece. Now I'm adding glue behind each of these letters and the strawberry. And I have a piece of press and seal here to keep them together the way I wanted them to layer. Let them adhere well, and we're going to pull out those pink sequins from day 9 again. They just have been playing really well with the things that I've been doing the last few days, so they keep getting to jump on the cards too. Maybe one of these days I'll make a shaker card, but we'll see. We're also going to pull out the Glimmer of the Month from November, All You Need Sentiments. And here is my quick and easy storage system that I created. I chose from All of Us, snipped off one of the banner ends, and I'm adding that, trying to find a good spot to tuck that under. I end up trimming a little more off of the one end to make this look a little more natural, and I glued these down so well it's a little hard to get it under one of the edges. Just lining that up so it's nice and straight on our central panel. Now that I have that adhered, I'm going to take a sentiment from another sentiment from that Glimmer set, and this one says, "A gift for you." Now, I wasn't going to use that second strawberry, but I decided that it would look nice right here on the inside of the card, and it does not affect the ability of the card to close. Adding a little dot of glue on the top of that stem, and that completes our card. My husband did look at this and say the E could have been a different color, and it probably should have. If I did this in the future, I'd probably put a pink E in there. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Check that description box below for all of the products that I used today. And I'll be back tomorrow for another video for the Advent calendar. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Until tomorrow, bye-bye.